का प्रैक्टिकल है. Now in your practical list, let me open the practical list. Now you have to try to implement this practical today. Not today, but you have 1 week, okay, before next lab. The 7th practical, I have already explained you fork. I have explained you EXCV. I have explained you weight system call. I have explained you what are zombie and orphan processes. ठीक है? Everything I have explained. Now you have to implement this 7th number practical by your own. Okay, so this is your task for today's internal exam, and I am giving you a lot of time. I am giving you time of 1 week. Okay, you have to upload your copies on the link I will share with you, but please make sure I will check each and every algorithm, each and every program. तो किसी का भी मुझे अगर सिमिलर लग रहे हैं कि आप लोगों ने एक दूसरे का देखा है या जो भी है इस तरह से, then I will straightforward deduct your marks, no matter what, if you are the original writer of the program or you have copied it. Okay, so now at the same time I will take your Viva also. Okay, so 134 से start हो रहा है.
Yes ma'am.
So as soon as I complete your Viva, you have to leave and you have to start performing the 7th practical. Okay, now
So ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
we are supposed to complete practical within 1 week. Okay.
19 DCS 134 Toki.
Yes ma'am.
Now those 30 आपका जो ये ग्रुप है व्हाट्सएप का, क्या नाम है उसका, क्लास का?
19 DCSE 2 मैम.
19 DCS C1 नहीं 2
मैम.
अब मैं व्हाट्सएप पे लिख रही हूँ, ओनली 2 स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइन. ओके, 134 135 136 एंड 137. ठीक है, एल्स बाकी सब लीव हो जाओ. आई विल कॉल यू इन द ग्रुप. ओके, ओके 134.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is operating system.
Basically, operating system is one type of program that helps the user to interact with the hardware, and operating system also manages the resources.
What is
And
kernel?
kernel basically has a right to access the hardware, and it can decide to which process the resource is been allocated.
What are two kinds of threads? Two types of threads. What are two types of threads?
No idea.
User threads and kernel level threads. पढ़ा है? सुना है?
Yes, ma'am.
है?
Yes, ma'am, सुना.
तो फिर what is the difference?
As the name suggests, user level threads are the threads that are invoked by the users, and kernel threads are of the threads for the processes that are under working of the kernel or invoked by the kernel.
Okay. 35.
Sorry, ma'am.
19 DCS 135. You can leave. 134 can leave. 135. 135. 136. 135. आपका माइक नहीं चल रहा है? तो मैं आपका बाद में ले लूंगी लास्ट में, ठीक है? 136.
हेलो मैम.
Yes, 136. 135 you can leave right now and last में आप मुझे WhatsApp पे मैसेज करना, मैं मोबाइल पे आपका ले लूंगी, ओके? Now 136. Tell me what is the difference between orphan and zombie process? Yes, what is the difference between orphan and zombie process? If you don't know, say don't know. Please don't miss. Hello.
Don't know. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Just a minute. Just a minute. हाँ बोलो. क्या बोल रहे हो?
हेलो, मेरी वॉइस आ रही?
हाँ आ रही है. ऑर्फन एंड ज़ॉम्बी प्रोसेस के बीच में डिफरेंस बोलो.
ज़ॉम्बी प्रोसेस में a process that complete execution but still has an entry in the process table, और वो ऑर्फन का नहीं पता नहीं.
So what is init process? What is init process? Hello, 136. Chirag.
हेलो.
हाँ. What is init process?
Init process means this is a first process starting during booting of the computer system.
Okay. So what is the role of init process in case of orphan child? Orphan process. Yes. Huh?
Don't know.
Okay. Roll number 137.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the role of init process in case of orphan process?
Ma'am, I don't know that.
What is the difference between orphan and zombie process?
Ma'am, orphan process it is a process whose parent process is terminated, and zombie process is process is still in the table or in the entry.
In the entry of what?
I'm entry of the process being executed or are in the executing state.
No. नहीं पढ़ा है ढंग से, ना ध्यान देते हो आप लोग.
मैम एक्चुअली उस टाइम पे मैंने लेक्चर्स मैं ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ पाई थी, मैं थोड़ा इल थी तो इस वजह से.
Okay. Okay, you can leave. One 138. Okay, 139.
Yes, ma'am.